The story setting is the place where your story is happening. The story setting is important because it provides the backdrop against which the plot unfolds. Your setting affects how the characters feel and what they do. And if you describe it well, the reader will feel like they're immersed in the story. In today's tutorial, you will learn the importance of using well-chosen adjective, noun combinations to describe your setting.
On your marks. Get set.
Using well-chosen adjective and noun combinations is crucial for creating a setting description that will make your story come alive in the mind of your reader. But before we go into more detail, let's just check that you're happy with what nouns and adjectives are. A noun is the name of a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. Basically, everything that can be seen or touched in your setting. An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun. It gives more detail about what something looks, feels, sounds, or even what it smells or tastes like. Imagine if you describe this scene using just nouns. Nina finally reached the ocean. In front of her stood a tree, the beach, and the sea. Unfortunately, the same sentence could also be used to describe a very different beach. This is why adjective-noun combinations are so important. They help you specify the details and bring the setting to life, describing to your reader exactly what you want them to see. This helps to make the scene more realistic and immersive. Let's try again, this time adding some adjectives. Nina finally reached the turquoise ocean. In front of her was a coconut tree, a sandy white beach, and the calm sea. That's much better. But there are so many adjectives to choose from. How do I know which adjectives to use? It's true. There are lots and lots of adjectives to choose from. Take this door. I can think of many adjectives we could use to describe it. One of the skills of a good writer is to be able to choose the best adjectives to use. And to help you learn how to do this, I have 3 suggestions for you. Tip 1. Be specific. The more specific your adjectives are, the clearer the setting will be in the reader's mind. Avoid general words like beautiful that can be used to describe lots of things. Be precise. Instead of beautiful sunset, write fiery sunset. Instead of tall mountains, write snow-capped mountains. Instead of hot coffee, write steaming coffee. Instead of old house, write abandoned house. Tip 2. Match the mood. Think about the overall mood or atmosphere you want to create in your setting. Is it peaceful or scary, lively or still? Choose adjectives that reinforce that mood. Instead of quiet pond, write tranquil pond. Instead of fresh snow, write relentless snow. Instead of busy traffic, write chaotic traffic. Instead of white snow, write glistening snow. Instead of big mansion, write towering mansion. And tip 3, appeal to the senses. Engage your reader's senses by choosing adjectives that describe not just how something looks, but how it sounds, feels, smells, or tastes. Instead of colourful flowers, write fragrant flowers. Instead of wooden steps, write squeaky steps. Instead of cheap street food, write spicy street food. Instead of old door, write splintered door. Choosing the right adjective-noun combinations is key. It will help to transform a basic description into something that sparks the imagination and immerses your reader into your narrative. When selecting the adjectives to go alongside your nouns, pick ones that are specific, that match the mood that you're trying to create, and that appeal to all of the reader's senses. For other great setting description writing tips, make sure you watch this video. And to continue to take your writing to the next level, make sure you subscribe to my channel.